Alright, what's going on? It's Cardboard Racing up in here. So, I know that this is not, a race car, NASCAR, or Disney Pixar's car, but it is cars. And, well, I managed to find My Name Is Not Chuck wood cart. So, I had to get him. I had to get him because the opportunity was right there. And I'm not sure how many chucks there are, but if a woodchuck can chuck, you can chuck wood or something like that. So let's unbox him. So yeah, this is just like a special unboxing type of thing. Oh boy. Oh, this one's so rough to unbox. Yikes. There's been better. So we got the tires, and there's like a little insert right there. Got the nice card, 95, and then Chuck, which his name is not Chuck. As a matter of fact, did you know? Fun fact: his name is not Chuck. So insert. So yeah, essentially just put his little thingy in with the groove, and yeah, I had to get this. So that being said, I'll see y'all in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay hydrated. Deuces.